Whether you're starting your YouTube journey or you've been posting before, but you need someone that helps you elevate your content, I will be the perfect guy for that. In the past 6 years, me and my team had the opportunity to work with a lot of creators and help them elevate their content. As you can see in the reviews, most of them are satisfied with the work. And here are some examples.
Reach a $4 billion market cap while there's a graveyard filled with fundamentally solid projects. From ancient campfires to modern digital screens, the desire to connect and organize ourselves.
With Creator Lab IO, those secrets are now yours. See what works and why so you can start creating content that clicks, literally.
A consistent and reliable amount of money. And it's not gambling if Elon Musk is going to tweet about Dogecoin and pulling all my money in there, because we know that's just a risk.
Increase your height 2 to 6 inches at any age. I'll go over exactly the 3 proven steps backed by science.
My vending machine business sells over 20,000 items every single month, and for the last 3 years...
Awesome! If you have any questions, you can just reach out or we can have a quick call. Or you can start your